Do you find yourself having to meal prep not only for yourself, but due to pandemic, for your elderly parents, friend, family members, or your spouse that has different dietary needs? So here's some tips on helping you through this. I find it very useful planning meals ahead of time, just writing them on paper, just as you would for yourself. Doubling the amount. A lot of times you can just double the amount of food you're cooking or making and just add that extra so you can share. When you find yourself with cooking for somebody who has different dietary needs, let's say you're a vegetarian and your elderly parent eats meat, what I find super useful is cooking different macros separately. Like I'm roasting my vegetables, we both eat vegetables. I can season, marinate some meat. If I don't eat meat, I don't want it mixed with my vegetables. And once you marinate it, you can either grill it or bake it, and you can set up your containers, add what they need, and avoid it for yourself if you don't want it.